We had 30 pounds of poultry on the WSM this weekend. Turkey and 3 birds, all in one cook. Let me show you how it went. We're starting with a bag of B&B charcoal briquettes. I like those because they're uniform size and good breathing between the briquettes. We hollow out a spot in the middle and pour in about half a chimney of lit charcoal. We're going to be using our Inkbird. It's a temperature controller. It has a probe positioned for monitoring the temperature, 3 positions for meat probes, plus a power cord that plugs straight into it. That goes into the adapter that's available for the WSM. We're going to be using mesquite along with our charcoal flavor today. So I've taken three or four chunks, and once the smoker has come up to temperature, I throw those in right before I put on the meat. Now I prep the turkey the night before, and my neighbors prep their chickens the night before, so everybody's going to have different flavors out of the same kettle. I put those on for about an hour, and it's time to probe them and check, make sure everything is on track, and these are just about ready. So I went ahead and pulled the 3 chickens off, and those go into individual containers for each neighbor to take home with them. And you'll see the turkey is on the lower level, and the 3 chickens were above it. Those 3 chickens were dripping and basting the turkey down below the whole time. Down below the turkey, you can see the FireDial diffuser. And I use that instead of the water pan because I like the drippings to come back and re-season and flavor the whole thing. Had some rosemary there to brush on some flavored butters with just some seasoning, store-bought seasoning in that. Then the turkey is ready to come out, and it's coming out at the same time as the whole chickens because we spatchcocked it. When you spatchcock the turkey or a chicken, it cuts the cooking time about in half. So I covered it up. It's done so early. I'm going to go ahead and let it get a good rest so the juices can absorb into the meat and be ready for cutting. This bird has been resting for about 30 minutes. Let's cut it. I'm going to go ahead and slice it before the guests arrive. Well, you can see the grain running this way. So when we cut this, we're going to cut across, this grain going this way, so we want to cut across. A little color in it. You see how it pulls apart. No question that that's done. That's good. Okay. All that turkey, got white meat, dark meat. We'll cover that up. We'll put it in the oven. We'll keep it warm until guests get here. Thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate all your support. If you would, Subscribe to my channel. Now's the time to do that if you haven't already. Share it with somebody you know likes this kind of thing. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors that they need to grill on just like you do. Have a great day.